At Animal Friends, we spent the entire month of May celebrating the animals. We enlisted your help, our partners and supporters, and we ask that you join us in 31 Days of Compassion to give back to the animals that give us so much. And what a celebration we had! From a kickoff party that included our first ever book sale, to a Chow Wagon food bank drive from local scout troops, from visits from our favorite radio DJs, Val Porter, Johnny Hartwell, and Tall Kathy, to celebrating Pittsburgh sports with our furry residents. We hosted the second annual Hope in One golf outing, and a sing-along. We celebrated Be Kind to Animals Week. And there was our first ever Pets for Life outreach event, supporting the at-risk animals in Homewood.
A great event. I wouldn't have missed this for anything in the world.
We had many partnerships throughout the community, which helped raise money and awareness about Animal Friends. We held an Unleash Your Passion party, which introduced new friends to our organization. And a very spirited Bow Wow Bingo. From an online photo contest to nearly 200 incredible adoptions throughout the month, even Cody, a dog who was rescued by our humane officers from an abandoned home. And close to 1,000 spay-neuter surgeries. We know we unleashed a miracle every day. So tonight, thanks to you, we celebrate the new families, the lives touched, and the pets saved. And to our sponsors, we thank you for making it possible. Because of you, our community is stronger and more compassionate. Together, we can transform our 31 Days of Compassion into 365.